Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing your sheet. Put source amounts in a dedicated column and enter a single live exchange rate in a cell, for example B1. Once done, select the target column where converted values will appear and ensure number formatting is clear. Make sure Excel calculation mode is automatic so changes update. Now you're ready to write the first formula that multiplies each amount by the exchange rate, and to lock that rate cell so you can copy the formula reliably. Now enter the core formula in the first result cell, equals A2 asterisk $B$1. The dollar signs lock the rate cell so every row uses the same live rate. Once entered, press enter and inspect the result for correctness. Then use the fill handle, drag down or double-click to autofill the entire column. Excel will adjust row references while keeping the rate fixed. If source amounts include text or symbols, wrap value or substitute to clean them before multiplying. Finish by formatting the converted column as currency so symbols and decimals match the target currency. This improves readability. Once done, consider wrapping your formula with IFRA to hide errors from blank or malformed inputs. If the exchange rate updates, just change the single rate cell and all conversions refresh automatically. If numbers look wrong, check that the rate cell is numeric, that absolute referencing, $B$1 was used, and that there are no stray spaces or non-numeric characters in source cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.